Welcome to day 9 of our 28-day challenge. Today we've got 2 standing exercises that are linked to each other for our purposes for this routine. And they are shaking the tree, which is pretty common, you may have seen, and flicking water. So let's start with shaking the tree. If we relax our knees, this is the trunk of our body, the trunk of the tree. The tree can move in the wind. It can shake. As you shake, you relax because what is rigid breaks. So we're relaxed and our branches move. So this is shaking the tree, right? Shaking the tree, bend your knees, soften, relax. So we're relaxing the whole body. We're shaking off stress, shaking off tension, becoming soft, loose, pliable, flexible, shaking off tension. Can go at different levels. We can close our eyes and relax more. And then when we feel we've reached a point where we need to dump more stress out, we can flick it off into the ground by raising up and then flicking down. Just like our hands are wet. There's no towels. We have to flick the water off. Sigh of relief with a ha sound. Ah. Shaking the tree. Flicking water. Shaking the tree. Flicking water. Do a few more on your own. Shaking the tree. Flicking water. Shaking the tree. Flicking water. Ha sound. Sigh of relief. Ah.